Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn Christmas tree in 3D. So I had taken one bottle. You can take any plastic cap also, just to hold the tree. I'm just going to put this way. So, and little bit of thermocol which I'm going to put inside this way. Okay, and then I will wrap this tape. See this. Just to hold the stick, I'm going to put the thermocol. Let's start now. Green papers. This is chart paper, tinted. So I have taken two colors. You have to take according to your stick. I have taken this toothpick, long toothpick also we get. So I have this stick. So how big your stick is there and how thick is there, and according to that you have to take the size of the papers. So I had taken one big, then lesser than this. See, can you see? Just 2 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter bigger paper than this. Then again same way I had done the same thing. See, 1.5 centimeter I had left it for this also. So I had just taken this different sizes, but this is same size. Can you see this? This size is same. Okay, just the height is changed. Okay, then now first thing, fold it into two, all the paper. Okay, see, after folding, okay, then where the folding portion is there, okay, where the folding portion is there, not this side, this side, we are going to have a cuts. Okay, this way it should look. Okay, so down we have to keep the space here. So see, this way we had cut it. Now take your toothpick, then start from down portion, the biggest portion. Okay, this way, this should be down. Okay, and this should be up, and roll it. The remaining portion you can cut it this way. Stick this portion, see, this way. Now the other size, same way. See, first see that how you want it, and that way you are going to press it. See, keep this much distance and then put it. Okay, it should be little bit overlap, but not too much. See, this much only. Can you see the overlapping? Only this much you have to overlap. First put the glue and roll it. Same way other also. First what I'm going to do, just seal these first. Okay, and then put the glue here, and then you can go this way. This is also another way to stick it. Okay, now this is done. Now slowly open this way. Okay, just this way, make it free. And put the now the final touch. Just I'm putting a star, and now I'm going to wrap this thing with the tape. This way your 3D Christmas tree is ready. You can make big also. I have shown you in a miniature size, but you can make big. Enjoy your craft and make your Christmas tree and click your photo with that and send to me. Till then, take care.